So first off, MRR and ARR. So MRR stands for monthly recurring revenue, and ARR stands for annual recurring revenue. So you should be tracking these numbers weekly, monthly, definitely annually, as frequently as possible. This is really sort of the lifeblood of a SaaS business. So what is included in recurring revenue? So recurring revenue is any subscription-based revenue. What is not included is any one-time revenue like implementation, some kind of consulting, etc. Do not report that in your recurring revenue. So if this is your revenue, you'd have basically a breakdown between your recurring revenue and your one-time revenue. And so your total revenue would be 67,000. Your monthly recurring revenue would be 52,000. And then your ARR is your monthly recurring revenue times 12. So that's 631. So what that means is basically if you did this prior month, which was April 2024, for 12 months in a row, how much recurring revenue would you have on an annualized basis? So if you just did this month for 12 months without it increasing or decreasing, you'd be doing about $631,000 a year of recurring revenue. And so it just gives you sort of a run rate metric. And so that's what ARR is. So let's write the first couple bullet points in our investor update so that it's basically already written by the time we get to the end of the video. So very simple, current MRR, we would just say 52,629. ARR is 631,524. And then we can say April total revenue was actually 67,007, but that includes implementation fees. So remember, your ARR does not include one-time revenue. So if you just take your total revenue and multiply it by 12, that is not your ARR, and investors will look into this. Your ARR is not 800K, 631. Investors will look into this in diligence, and they will find out if you miscalculated it. So you want to make sure you do that correctly.